Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you between two top-rated robot vacuum and mop combos. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q Revo, and in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start off by comparing the dock features of these two products. The Roborock Q Revo offers a feature-packed dock with auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank for a max mopping range of 4,305 SQFT. It even has a self-emptying function, allowing for hands-free cleaning for up to 7 wicks. The easily detachable dock base also allows for thorough cleaning. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo comes with a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank, offering a 3-in-1 functionality of vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping. The electronically controlled water tank has 2-speed water outlet modes, ensuring uniform penetration on all hard floors. Now let's move on to the cleaning performance of these two products. The Roborock Q Revo boasts dual spinning mops with a spinning speed of 200 RPM and consistent downward pressure. It effortlessly removes stains and ensures a spotless floor every time. With 30 water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. Additionally, the Q Revo features auto mop lifting, allowing it to clean both carpets and floors seamlessly. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo comes equipped with a powerful suction motor and a roller brush, making vacuuming easier. It offers dry and wet cleaning options, meeting different cleaning needs. Now let's talk about navigation and control features. The Roborock Q Revo utilizes reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which allows it to detect and avoid potential hazards with precision. It also features PreciSense lidar navigation with 3D mapping technology, creating precise maps that can be viewed in 3D. The Roborock app offers advanced control options, including mop washing and drying mode, auto-emptying mode, and the ability to set no-go zones. It even supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers control through an app or remote control. The water output can be precisely controlled, and it provides an easy and convenient way to navigate and control the cleaning process. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q Revo has been praised for its excellent cleaning performance and advanced navigation and control features. Reviewers have mentioned its ability to remove stains effectively and its customizable cleaning options. The robot vacuum and mop combo, on the other hand, has been appreciated for its versatile functionality and user-friendly control options. Reviewers have highlighted its powerful suction and ease of use. Overall, both products have received positive reviews and have their unique strengths. And there you have it, our comparison between the Roborock Q Revo and the robot vacuum and mop combo. Both products have their unique features and strengths. The Roborock Q Revo excels in dock features, cleaning performance, and advanced navigation and control. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a versatile 3-in-1 functionality and user-friendly control options. Remember, the best choice for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence. See you next time.